Hello guys, how are you everyone? In this video I will show you how to download OpenShot software free. So let's go and check it out. First of all, you will need to go to your browser. I have Chrome for this. So search here OpenShot. Okay, search here. You will see the OpenShot.org website on the top of result. Okay, open this website OpenShot.org. OpenShot Video Editor, award-winning open source video editing software, great tuning videos. Okay, set Windows operating system. You can download the Windows setup from here. If you have Mac, you can download the Mac setup here. You can download all the OpenShot is fantastically simple and powerful. We designed OpenShot Video Editor to be an easy to use, quick to learn, and surprisingly powerful video editor. Take a quick look at some of our most popular features and capabilities. Our features: cross-platform. OpenShot is a cross-platform video editing with support of Linux, Mac, Windows. Get started and download our installer today. Trim and slice. Quickly trim down and videos and find those perfect moments. OpenShot has very easy ways to cut your video. Animation and keyframes. Using our powerful animation framework, you can fade, slide, bounce, and animate anything in your video project. Unlimited tracks. Add as many layers as you need for what more: background, videos, audio tracks, and more. Video effects. Using our video effects, you can remove the background from your video, invert the color, adjust brightness, and more. Audio waveform. Visualize your audio files as waveform and even output the waveform as part of your video. Okay, these are the features of the OpenShot software, video editor software. Okay, the title editor. Adding titles to your video has never been easier. Use one of the template or make your own. 3D animation. Render beautiful 3D animated titles and effects such as snow, lanes, or flying text. Show motion and time effect. Control the power of time, reversing, slowing down, and speeding up your video. Use a preset or animate the playback speed and direction. Edit video. Drag and drop video, audio, or image from your file manager. OpenShot. It's that easy to get start video editing. 70 plus language. OpenShot is available in many different languages and can be translated online with Launchpad. Simple user interface. We have designed OpenShot to be easiest and friendliest video editing software ever. Give it a try and see for yourself. So let's go and download this setup from this website, free setup. Okay, download. These are the features of OpenShot Video Editor. OpenShot Video, we provide both direct download links and torrents. We also daily builds available using the daily builds button below. Okay, download for Windows. As I have Windows, so I am going to download the setup for Windows. Okay, download Windows. Yes, I have selected the download button and downloading the file into my desktop. Version is 2.6.1. The setup is downloading. It is about 166 MB setup. So guys, you can download the software from here in this way.